here in Malaysia. Say hi. This is my YouTube.
3 hours.
Oh,
We're here in Malaysia.
200.
220.
He is our driver. This is our mom.
Malakad po din.
Yeah, but it's not
We're here. Yay!
But how much the charge for?
Jalan Satu
From here,
Lorong.
you can second grab then.
We're going to Legoland.
Is it? It's nice.
Very nice.
This one, Istana Lama.
Very nice.
Last time the Istana Johor here. Now,
But they should do it on the other side.
now the Bukit Seret.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's like Philippines here. There's garden.
In Danga Bay, there's an entrance also there. Entrance now, if you go inside, because the Bukit Sirinde, right? The other side is the Danga Bay, right? So half entrance.
Wow.
Maybe from here, go to in front, maybe 4 kilometers.
Nice.
The walk Because I saw that one in Bukit Sirinde. The other side only is the Danga Bay, right?
Muslim festival.
It's free only, right? To walk and walk.
This one, the hospital.
Mm-hmm.
First time, the general hospital. This one.
Okay.
1512 first.
Wow.
We're going to
But it's still
Legoland.
okay now.
100 year plus.
See, that's the oldest hospital in Malaysia. No? There.
General hospital.
Yeah.
Wala na nag-ano dyan?
Huh?
Hindi na sila lubad na.
But they're still using, right? Yeah, that's General Hospital, no?
General hospital. 100 year plus.
Yeah, see? Oh my God. In Singapore, if 100 already demolished this one, no?
This one, the Johor one.
Oh, it's 11. It's
But how it
12.5.
transformed?
You know the JDT?
We just eat our lunch. Johor. Tuan ko. Daulat Tuan ko. Welcome.
Daulat. Doon sa Torita.
Ano daw yan?
Daulat Tuan ko.
Diyan, yung building nila ang ganda.
Oh. Nice view. Nice view here in Singapore.
Walk there, no?
I meet my friend.
But Danga, we have also the shops, right, to eat the seafoods, fresh seafoods on there.
Hello.
In the Bukit Sirin, the other side.
Going to Malaysia.
Oh, that one.
To
So
Legoland.
no entrance or no need? If you want to eat, just eat only like that.
Video.
No entrance fee.
You can type the Dangabe seafood there. Restaurant.
Which you prefer?
Dangabe seafood restaurant.
Belly time. Belly time.
Oh, bell time. It's
Time.
bell time.
Bell time. Excited to go to Legoland.
Ang ganda mo dun. Ang ganda mo
Maybe
dun
to go
sa
Legoland, but
nagaganyan.
not just picture.
We are three of
When
us.
inside lah, you play lah.
One friend
Oh,
was
like
left
we didn't
behind.
see any clothes also. We don't have plans to go inside. It's just only outside. Just
Hintayin nila tayo?
Huh?
Dress?
Oh,
Tayo.
she's asking if you can wait for us. You're giving us a tour.
Yeah. Namaste.
Yeah.
General.
We'll have a, what is that?
Wow, country garden. Very nice.
Garden Dangabe, this one here lah. Can walk lah here.
We are in Malaysia. Malaysia is improving country also. See, left and
Yeah,
right
they're improving too. See, Look
construction.
at that one. They're under construction everywhere.
Look at left and right construction also.
Yes.
Like in the Philippines.
Kuala Lumpur.
Condominiums. High-end condominium.
Galang bata.
But this one, pwede rin pumunta sa KL pag nandito ka?
This one, the big one. The sea.
Wow. Of course.
The
Tangan
Seafood
Bay
Restaurant.
Marina
eh.
Club.
Dapat pumasok tayo dyan.
Seafood
Wow.
restaurant.
Oo.
We're enjoying the ride.
See?
Seafood restaurant. Oh, nice.
Danga Bay.
Danga Bay Convention Center. We are here in Malaysia.
Can be from KL. I think
We're
2
going
hours
to
from here
Sunway
to KL.
City,
Wala,
Iskandar.
1 hour?
330 kilometer.
Oh my God.
Maybe 4 hours to 5
Yeah.
hours.
Wow.
So you already.
Going to
From Lakin
KL.
have bus and price. You going to
We're enjoying that ride.
This bus,
You see?
KLCC. This one no. This one JB bus.
Okay.
Going to Lakin have bus express. 37 416.
That's quite far.
I haven't here for almost 5 years already. 2017. I came back again 2025.
Hindi kasi internet, nakakapanas.
We're here in Malaysia. Look like raining. Don't rain so that we can enjoy. It's a 1-day travel only. Later we'll go back to Singapore again.
1 day travel.
1-day traveling.
Enjoy. 1 day.
Yes! Oh, ang ganda yun, no? Teso, tingnan mo mga landed.
Huh?
Landed, oh. Wow, that was very nice. Ang laki, oh. Parang mga mansion. There's a white cow. I saw a white cow. Uncle drive very fast. Is this Johor Bahru? Is this still Johor Bahru? Or not?
Kasi sabi ng mga amo ko pag nasa Singapore daw tayo to Legoland 1 hour lang.
1 hour? Okay.
Ha?
Maybe pag straight,
Oh, 1
walang
hour
stop
lang daw.
from diretso ba? After immigration, ride in car going to Legoland. I love Johor. See, I love Johor. Ako, hindi ko na nakunan.
Walang nakunan ko.
I love Johor. Yeah, I love Johor.
Oh, isa? Isa lang?
Nahabol mo. Timing talaga clear. Because on the other side, I'm on the other side. There's a mosque. We're exploring Malaysia. I'm not really exploring because we have only 1 day here.
Di ba, umalis ako sa bahay na malinis, walang kalat. Kasi kahapon, di ba, pumunta sila sa... Hindi ako sumama na.
Sa big
Ay,
truck is
nako,
scary. Kung naging TUC ako kapon. Tapos nalinis. Big truck.
Mag-book ka na, tapos si Uncle din ang ibubok mo.
Kaya pa, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Mamaya hindi na tayo makabalik.
Nung pumunta ako dito, wala akong mga ganito.
Eh, buti ka nga, ganyan lang. Ako talaga, ang
Wala
dami,
akong mga
sobra.
ugat-ugat ngayon.
Kaya hindi ako
Ayun,
pwedeng magsuot ng ganito,
At,
please. Kasi talaga
rides, no?
dito sa ganito
Yeah.
ko.
I cannot add the rides, no?
Dati wala.
The ride. I need to book again later, I think.
Wala, kasi hindi ka pa naman nakarating eh. Di ba? Hindi pwede. pa nakadrop ko.
Pwede yung
It's like in the Philippines here. The stalls or closed, why closed? Kota Iskandar. Yan, may picture dito.
Mabilis lang.
Kaya nga. Sarap. Ay, meron akong ano. Wala akong sombrero. Kasi, pag ganito nga ako.
May picture kami dito, ikaw wala ka. Sorry.
Ready.
You're sorry in the front seat.
Cheese!
Si Kulot. Parehong kulot.
Pareho naman kulot.
Lahat
Ano
naman
ba dito?
dito.
Video mo dito?
Bahala ka dyan.
Video wala
Ikaw na
kang
bahala.
picture dito.
Uy, bilisan mo picture mo yan ha. Magantay si Angka, ano lang. Mga 5 to 10 minutes.
Oo, 10 minutes. Okay lang, marami ng picture noon.
Dadagdag pa tayo.
10 minutes. 10 minutes? Just 10 minutes and then we go back? Hmm?
Tapos dadagdag tayo sa bayan.
Baka ma-rush tayo?
Wala naman masyadong picture doon, be.
Ha?
Sarapan lang.
Oo. Pag pumasok ka din, bayad.
Hindi naman tayo magpapasok. Hindi naman tayo mayaman, napapasok.
Sarap kasi hindi maamoy yung ano niya. Sakyan.
We're traveling to Legoland. Legoland! I saw already Legoland. Wow!
Kikita mo na ba?
Yes, Mandar Putiri. Iskandar Putiri.
Putiri.
What it mean?
Ah, putri.
Putri?
Iskandar Putri.
Oh, it's a putri. It's not
Iskandar
putri.
Iskandar Putri.
It's putri. So we don't know how to pronounce.
I don't know. Wow. Soria Hills. There's so many landed here.
Marami na rin silang ano, mga house and lots.
Townhouse at saka
Oh,
condominiums.
townhouse.
Oh, we're here already.
Lalaki mga bahay dito.
Harrison Hills.
Magiging ano rin to, katulad ng Singapore. Mamaya maggubat-gubat na to. Magiging flop na rin.
Magiging city na.
Right, they all like that. This one same with Singapore. All
Oh.
buildings on it. Yung colorful na yon.
Medini, Iskandar, Malaysia. You see, Medini, Iskandar,
So
Malaysia.
fast. So fast.
Iskandar Putri.
We are so fast.
Yay! We're here in Legoland. There's so many vacant lots here.
Very
No traffic.
Makikita mo rin dyan, te.
Smooth riding. And the weather is cool. There's no sunrise.
It's hot.
High-end condominiums. This country is developing so well. Mall of Medini. Medini? Wow! Grand Medini. Medini? How to spell Medini?
Have durian.
How to spell Medini? Mall Medini? Oh, Green Eagles like in Singapore. See? The symbol is the same. Oh. Picturean mo. Pwede kang mag-video tapos
Video tapos picture.
picture mo habang nag-video. Parang pwede yata. Ewan ko, experiment.
Ang alin?
Yung sabi ko, habang nag-video siya, mag-take photo siya.
Tapos nagtitignan.
Pwede?
Pwede nga.
Medeni.
See? Hindi, dapat dito na lang ako may boarding ka daw. Dire-diretso lang kasi kami doon.
Ha?
Ayan.
Oh, dito pala, naalala ko, dito kami noon. Tess, diyan kami nag-abang ng taxi papunta, pabalik na doon. Dito yun, Mall of Hindi pala yun. Naalala ko. Diyan kami nakaupo, oh.
This is the entrance. Oh.
Yeah. We're here. We're here. Bye for now. We will alight. Thank you.
And then you...
We're here in Malaysia.
Video mo yun si ma'am. Video mo si ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye.
We're here in Malaysia. Say babay ka na.
Yay! Oh, pati ito. Sa YouTube.
Ay, sa YouTube pa ba? Hi, welcome.
Hi, bye-bye. Biyahan.
In Medeni, Mall of Medeni. With my friends, we're enjoying. We go to Legoland, Malaysia.
Bye.
Oh, they're very beautiful.
Let's go.
Bye for now. Enjoy our day to day. Thanks for watching. Nakaharap pa sa akin? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Always remember, you're so special. Hi.
Yan o, hindi mo pa namin yan.
Napita ka na